Well, a very good morning to the members of the media that are here this morning. Thank you for coming in for today's media brief on the systems that are upon us right now. As we speak right now, we are monitoring two systems. One is tropical disturbance 14F, which was literally located just as has gone past just Fiji as of earlier this morning. It's also the reason why we've been experiencing heavy rain and the associated flooding of the low-lying flood-prone areas and the major rivers this morning. At the same time as well, last night we named the tropical cyclone Zena. This was previously analyzed as tropical depression 16F, which was located off the coast of Vanuatu last night. But as we speak this morning, the system has moved southeastwards. It's moving at a very fast-moving system at around 35 kilometers per hour. And this morning, it is now a category 2 system with sustained winds of approximately 90 kilometers per hour towards the center. And on the track that it's taking, we expect this system to move in very close to Fiji. On the current anticipation, as it comes in closer, it will pass in between Viti Levu and Vonu Levu before it moves further away. And as we speak right now, there is already a tropical cyclone warning in terms of gale warning that is in force for Esawa and Mamanuca group for the whole of Viti Levu, Kandavu, Batulele and the nearby small islands. This is with the anticipation that the track which this system will take is that it will move in between Viti Levu and Kandavu, and as such these places are being warned for as we speak. At the same time as well, while we await and anticipate the arrival of tropical cyclone Zena, it's important for us to know that there has been a significant rainfall experienced over the course of the last 12 hours. And we've been getting some very good reports of rainfall on the ground. Lotoka, 210 mils, and most of this was experienced from 6 p.m. yesterday till around 9 a.m. this morning. So that's the reason why we've been having extensive flooding and also major flooding of the major rivers as we speak now.